The game we play thing definitely was a massive highlight.
Hello, my name is Mariana Flaisus Tamara, and the game we play. It's a horror movie. It was a lot of fun to be in it, and everyone that watched it said that they really enjoyed it. And if you like horror, come and watch. And if you don't love horror, you will after watching it.
So when I made the decision that I actually wanted to be an actor, first I was looking for, because I didn't land on uni right at first, right? I was looking through my options, and APAC at the time was offering workshops. So I came for a class, like just a random class one evening actually, and we did a few things, and then I came for a second class. And then that's when I was like, I think I should do something a bit more regular, like uni. And because I had already done the workshops here, then I just came and had a look to see how the uni program was and everything. And then it worked out for me. I would have to say that the game we play thing definitely was a massive highlight. And my cohort, we got along so well as well. Me, Finn, Liam, and Chantel. We always said like we were a little tiny cohort, but we worked so well together. We became really close friends, which made everything a bit easier as well because like we supported each other quite well in this whole journey. I think my little cohort there, the friendships I made, and the whole game we play thing were the biggest highlights, that's for sure. There's so many things, I think, like just meeting people from all over the world. Living in another place gives you a different perspective of everything. You can see, like I have my experiences from back in Brazil, and I also have my experiences here, like seeing how Australia works and Australians as people. And I don't know, I think just being in a very different environment is very nice. It gives you lots of perspective. Meeting people from all parts of the world also give you many different perspectives. In the end, it gives you things for you to take from when you are an actor as well. And I love to travel. It's very cliche to say that, but I really love traveling, and I think that was the best thing I did. Was actually coming here and staying and finding my little corner of the world, Yeah.